Yo, what's going on guys, it's Zeus here, and today I'm going to be showing you how you can use cross progression on Brawlhalla in 2024. Without any further ado, let's get right into the video. The first step is going to be to go to Brawlhalla's game settings and then select the new option account linking. After that, you can sign into or create your Ubisoft account. Once you've done that, it's time to move on to step 2. Link the account from the platform you are on to your Ubisoft account. This will need to be done from all platforms you wish to connect to your Ubisoft. For this example, we're talking about Steam in specific. Step 3 is going to be selecting Steam and then logging into Brawlhalla. Select the account linking option from the top right menu. You will now see a list of all the accounts that are linked. From here, you can choose one account from the list to be the active linked account. The account you choose will now share its inventory with the platform account you are currently playing on. Now that cross progression is released, you'll be able to select between your current platform account or the active linked account to earn progression on, while still sharing the inventory of the active linked account. Hopefully this video was helpful to you, and if it was, be sure to drop a like. Have a great day, y'all.